All right guys, welcome back to another video with Flash Custom Transfers, brought to you today by Flash Printing Depot. And in today's video, we are going to go over some new horror digital downloads. So a lot of you guys don't know that we have digital downloads really for free. If you scroll all the way down at the bottom to Flash Custom Transfers, we've got these packs. Now again, we haven't updated them in a very long time. I think there's another section here on the website where you can go get a lot more free digital downloads. But again, we do offer these right here, complete Halloween fall bundle, complete horror movies bundle. And again, we released these years ago. So these are just some things as we gear up for the fall season and all these cool Halloween images are coming available that, you know, here at Flash Printing Depot, you can, here at Flash Printing Depot, here at Flash Custom Transfers, you can get a lot of free digital downloads. So we're gonna go here, I'm gonna show you guys everything that we also have in regards to complete digital downloads that are paid for. So we got the American Bridal Coffee Faith, all these digital downloads are still available. We got some great prices, but on the main page, the number one thing that we got going on right now for a great price too are all these brand new horror digital download packs. So let's go ahead, let's start with the first one, Thug Life Horror Bundle. It's gonna come with all these images here that you see. And again, you can use these for sublimation, DTF, DTG, UV DTF. You could buy them and resell them on platforms like Etsy or Facebook or TikTok. You can really do whatever you want with them. They're a digital image, and then once you get them, you can put them on whatever you want. So you can do like a UV DTF right here. You can put them on your backpack. Again, it's a digital file that once you download, it's high resolution, and it comes with some really cool pictures. This first one, you got Thug Life Horror, and you got all these cool images here. And we're gonna go back to home, scroll down. Remember, we also always have printers and everything for sale. So if you come over here to Flash Printing Depot, we have great prices on shakers and DTF printers and fume extractors and UV printers and stuff like that. And again, if you haven't seen our videos here recently, we now also offer non-Mamaki DTF printers and UV DTF printers. So come back here to Flash Custom Transfers. This pack right here includes, it's a mega horror pack. It's 1,000 images, 1,000 images of just cool new horror images. So this pack right here, you're gonna get a lot of, you might not get all the Thug Lifes in this one, but you're gonna get 1,000 images. So who knows? We've looked through it, but we couldn't even finish looking through everything. And for 15 bucks, 1,000 images, you can, if you were to resell these, say you were to do them in like packs of 10 and you were to do each pack for $1.99, you're gonna make your money back tenfold because you can make a lot of packs, a lot of 10 packs out of 1,000. I think you can make 110 packs out of these 1,000 images. So, and again, these are downloadable images. So just please be aware that if you just get one, you don't need to buy two. You don't need to add 2 or 3 to your cart. We've had people do that in the past. They've added like 2 or 3 to their cart. You don't need to do that. You just add it, and once you buy it, it'll ding us, and then we will send you the link for you to download it. So again, you can put this on apparel. You can print it out UV DTF, and then we will print it for you. Okay, you can print it out UV, you can download the image, and then you can create a gang sheet for yourself, and you can do UV DTF, and we can print that for you as well. So there's just a lot of things that can be done with all of these images. So we're gonna go over here to home, and then we're gonna show you guys another one that we have, the Villain Bundle. So all of these are different. Some packs may include some other images, but some are also exclusive to the pack. So this one's a Villain pack. This one has some images that the other packs don't have. So we advise, look, this one's hilarious. This Step Brothers one is hilarious. So Slash Brothers. So again, these images are great. They're all digital downloads. We advise you to, if you purchase these, also look for a way to sell them so that you can make your money back. And then you can just keep doing the same thing over and over and over. Remember, here at Flash Custom Transfers and Flash Printing Depot, our job is to create items not so that you can just buy them from us, but so that you could also make money as well. And we got the tarot cards. There's a bunch of tarot cards here too. I don't even know how many there are, but there's a bunch. But these are great for phone cases, tote bags, really anything. You can do, a big hit on your shirt. Again, if you know how to halftone, you can halftone these images If you have a graphic designer or something like that, you can do that as well. Again, that pack's only 10 bucks. And then we have all of these individual ones. So this one I don't think is in any pack. This one, all these individual images are $4.95. So these are some really cool. This one is funny. There's some horrors in this house. It's hilarious. This one, I'll murder, you know, I don't want to say that for YouTube, but you can read it. Rolling up some horror spirit, like even baddies get saddies. It's some pretty funny single images that you can download. And then we also got this pack right here for the football horror pictures. What's also cool is we have Chelly created some really cool pre-made gang sheets. So right here, this is a pre-made gang sheet, which includes all of these. It's a 22 by 60, and it includes all of these images. So again, you can make some really great apparel, or, well, for this, because it's a 22 by 60, all of these are adult size, you would use this gang sheet for apparel. But remember that you can download the images, and then you can order some UV DTF, and we can print them out if you want to make them small for like a phone case or something like that, if you want to have a Halloween phone case, or just do something for your school or whatever it may be. You have the option. And UV DTF, if you guys don't know, UV DTF is for hard surfaces. So please take advantage of all these downloads. We will continue to make videos. This is another 22 by 60 gang sheet that she created, pre-made gang sheet. So once you order this for 65 bucks, 22 by 60, you will receive all of this, and you can make your apparel whatever you want to do and charge whatever you want, and then come back and, you know, just keep recycling and keep making money. We're trying to make it as easy as possible for you. And again, remember, if you don't have a DTF printer, or say you don't want to buy transfers from us and you want to do it on your own, we have some great sales going on. As you can see, the TXF 150 with a shaker, 24-inch shaker, is 22 grand. We got the TXF 300, that's $34,995. We got the shaker by itself, if you already have a DTF printer, for just 44 or about 4,500 bucks. And again, these are not those shakers that a lot of people are having issues with. We now work directly with a manufacturer, Print Tech, to get all of these great shakers, great quality in-house. And again, go check out these other videos, because we have a lot of equipment in our possession right now. We have a UV DTF, a 24-inch Print Tech DTF printer, a bunch of, I think 2 of these shakers, a bigger 24-inch shaker that looks like this one. We have a press, an automatic heat press that can do 2 presses at a time. These fume extractors, we have 2 of these as well. And we have a bunch of ink. So these are all things that we still need to put on the website for consumables. We have a bunch of ink, a bunch of powder, and we also have white non-settling ink, which is great. So for all you people out there worried about what type of DTF printer you should get, whenever you're using non-settling white ink, that's going to make your print head last a lot longer, because the sediment inside of the old inks is not inside of the new ink. So if you've got white recirculation on top of non-settling white ink, the chances of your print head clogging are way, way, way down. So as long as you keep up the regular maintenance, your printer should run for a very long time, whether or not you're using an i3200 print head or an i1600 print head or a DX7 print head, which is in the Mamaki TXF series. It really doesn't matter. Your printer will run a lot longer if you use that specific ink. Not a lot of people know about it, but we will be doing a lot of videos on non-settling white ink for you guys, and we have it. And we also have a great supply too of Mamaki ink too. A lot of people think that you can't get Mamaki ink from us, and you 100% can. Also, we also have film too, and all of that stuff will be on the website. But if you have any questions, just email us at flashprintingdepot@gmail.com. And if you want any of these digital downloads, just head on over to flashcustomtransfers.com, click them, buy them. We'll send you the link. You can download them, make money with them, make apparel with them, do whatever you want. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for another one. And make sure you go watch all the other videos of how we received all of our equipment and how we're going to scale our business. And we will be the future at Flash Printing Depot, along with the company Print Tech. We will be the first Home Depot of the print industry. You will be able to walk into any Print Tech or Flash Printing Depot location and get whatever part that you need for whatever printer that you have. and also the consumables. So UV printing, it doesn't matter, roll to roll, sublimation, dye sublimation, finishing equipment, cutters, lasers. You will be able to go into a store and not just get the parts, but also get the knowledge. Email us at flashprintingdepot@gmail.com.